In this material, you will get acquainted with the KME NEVO-SKY program. It is used to configure the drivers of the NEVO-SKY family, namely Direct Max and Sun. When started, the program automatically tries to establish a connection to the controller. It cannot do so due to the lack of connection to the gas controller. You need to connect to the controller using the KME USB optic interface and try the connection again. The program will recognize the driver and choose the appearance suitable for it. In the video, you can see the interface tailored to the driver direct. From the status window, you can quickly access the most important options of the program. Here you can find information about the program version and the version of the connected driver. Above the main window, there is a list of tabs and a ribbon that is used to navigate through the program options. In the Menu tab, there are shortcuts to functions you can connect and disconnect from the controller, save or read settings, update the controller, open technical documentation, change the language, change the program view, and change the option. On the right side of the window is the Readings panel. It is visible in each of the program's tabs. Remember, it is possible to move it to the left side. To do this, select Menu, Option, Readings panel option. Show Readings panel on the left. At the top is a virtual panel. It corresponds to the physical panel of the driver. The background color corresponds to the connected driver. For the direct driver, it is green, blue for the max driver, and yellow for Sana. Above the virtual panel, you can see the current operating status of the driver. By left-clicking on the panel, you can switch between gasoline and gasoline operation. Underneath, you can see the current status of the connection to the gas controller. Below that, you can see the status of the valve and the status of individual cylinders. By clicking with the left mouse button, you can open and close the valve or switch any cylinder to work on gasoline or gas. The gasoline dose and the calculated gas dose given to the engine are shown below. In indirect injection, the gas dose is equal to the raw injection time of gasoline. And in direct injection, it is calculated based on the raw injection time and high fuel pressure. In direct injection, it is possible to suspect the raw injection time. It is given below the dose. By default, the time of individual injections in the cycle for the first cylinder is shown. By clicking the right mouse button, you can select the cylinder from which you want to display the data, or turn on the extended mode, which will show times from all cylinders. In yellow, we see the number of injections per cylinder per engine cycle. Below, you can see other important parameters such as RPM, intake manifold pressure, gas temperature, reducer, engine. To see some of the parameters, it is necessary to connect to OBD. One such parameter is short and long-term corrections. Parameters for which OBD connection is necessary are highlighted in orange. To the left of the Readings panel is the function bar. It shows all modules available for a given controller. The modules currently active are highlighted in yellow. By clicking on a module, you can quickly go to its configuration. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the correction bar. All adjustments are displayed here in the form of a numerical value. As with the function bar, you can go to the settings by clicking on a particular adjustment. If you want to see the latest version of the software, use the link in the description.